Hello traders, all right, hello traders. Today is the 4th of April 2011, and happy trading to you all. This is the Asia session. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We are looking now at the monthly chart of crude oil, okay, and the crude oil is in the zone of 78%, now in the zone of 76%, 75, 76% Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, the price went down from July 2008. The crude oil was in a downtrend, a pure downtrend, okay, non-stop, went down. And now the price was rallying, okay, to the upside since 2009, exactly the same time like the major indices, the Dow Jones, the CAC index, the S&P 500. So when the crude oil is going up, you will see the general market also will be going up. So crude oil is also a market indicator, excellent market indicator, okay. So when you know that crude oil is about to go down, the general market is likely to go also down, okay. When the crude oil is going up, there's a high probability that the general market also will go up, okay. But right now we know that the crude oil is approaching a key resistance level in the zone of 75 and 76% Fibonacci retracement level. According to the investor, when the price retraces up to 75% level, 76%, especially 76% Fibonacci retracement level, okay, in after a downtrend, the market is considered as overbought at this zone here. In the zone of 76%, the market is considered as overbought, okay, especially on a monthly chart like this, okay, the market is considered as overbought. The smart man is willing to sell here, placing their stop loss above, okay, the previous high here, okay. But it does not mean that we do not trade like ordinary traders, because we are not ordinary traders. We'll use the TSTWSYS 08 trading system to enter the trade when a signal, a valid signal to sell is given here. Because some traders will watch our video and they will say that, okay, you say that the price is in resistance zone, so they will go and sell. That's how most of the swing traders will trade, because they will come and place order to sell here because the price is at a key resistance zone. But we do not trade that way. It's not because the price is in a resistance zone that you sell. You wait for the price itself, the number one indicator, or you receive a clear-cut signal to sell before you sell. Okay, so it's one thing for the price to be in a resistance zone, and another thing to receive a valid signal to sell. So the price now is in the zone of 76% Fibonacci retracement zone. We are in a zone that is considered as overbought, but is the market accepting this zone as overbought? Is the price being accepted as overbought? If the price is accepted as overbought, the market will start selling. But we do not see any selling so far. There's a kind of weakness looking at the size of the candle of this one here. There's a kind of weakness going on here. This is the new candle here, okay? So we will wait for a clear-cut signal to sell in a zone of a resistance before we will enter the trade. So the time and the place where you enter the trade, this is the key for your successful swing trading, okay? Because the standard that most swing traders are using is that the price in the resistance zone, they will sell. The price approach, you can see that in this zone here, the price was in a 38% Fibonacci retracement zone. Some people were selling here, okay? That's what's happened. The price was approaching the 50%. Some traders were selling here. But you have to wait till you receive a signal to sell before you sell. Do not just sell because the price is in a resistance zone, okay? Nothing is stopping this market to continue movement to retest at this level here. So, but we know that there was a resistance zone here because we are in a zone of 76% Fibonacci retracement zone, but there is another resistance up here. So when the price is going up, the price is looking for a better resistance zone. Until the price finds that better resistance zone, okay, so we are waiting for the price to find that better resistance zone, which means where the price will find the better resistance zone, okay, the price will start going down, which means trend and be broken and retested, or a TSTWSYS 08 trading system giving a valid signal to sell in this zone here, okay. So this is how you will approach your swing trading, okay. But like I said to you before, the crude oil is an excellent market indicator, so you can perfectly trade this crude oil because you don't have to look at something else, okay? You are looking directly at one of the market indicator like the S&P 500. So you are just trading the crude oil. Excellent tool. Okay. The same thing for those who are trading the currency. Okay. Myself, I spend most of my time trading the Euro USD because the Euro USD is a leading currency in the forex market. Okay. So I'm trading the Euro USD because I know that most of the positively correlated currency to the Euro USD will be following the Euro USD. So I prefer to trade the leaders, okay, instead of trading the followers. Okay. So crude oil is also a leader in the market. Google is a leader in the market. Apple is a leader in the market. S&P 500, Dow Jones, those are leaders in the market. So you can perfectly trade them. Okay. So this is what we see on the monthly chart. Okay. Going to the weekly chart, okay, because some of the traders will watch our video and they will say they will take our video as a signal. No, our videos are not trading signal. They are educational videos only. The price approaching this level here, you see this a very important resistance zone. You see that the price went down first, tried to go up in this session here, and only to be sold down. We are in a resistance zone. We can acknowledge that with the red horizontal line on this chart of the weekly chart here. Now, will the price go down? Will the price start going down? If you place order here to sell straight away, you are just forcing the price to go down. Have you received a signal to sell? That's the question. Okay, so you must receive a valid signal to sell before you sell. Do not just sell because the price is in a resistance zone. I know that some traders have a strategy to sell in a resistance zone. Okay, that's their strategy. Okay, but we do not trade that way. We'll use the TSTWSY S08 or the TSTWSY S008 trading system that will allow us to know that now, okay, it's time to sell and we will sell. Okay. This is it, okay, or use the TSTW24 trading system, okay, before to give us a clear-cut signal to sell before we'll sell, okay. Now, going to the daily chart of crude oil, what do we see? Because some traders will say, oh, okay, he said that it's in its resistance zone, so we should sell. No, do not trade that way, okay. Looking on this daily chart, okay, the price is perfectly in a channel here. If you allow me to do that, okay. The price is in the channel here, okay. This channel here, okay. Okay, the price in the channel here is Dow Jones, okay, is in the channel, and I mean not Dow Jones. The crude oil is in the channel here, as you can see, going up and down in this channel here. If we draw the middle line of this channel or for this daily chart, because on the daily chart it's perfectly okay to draw the channels. Usually on the daily chart, get into habit to draw the channel. So the price may try to come and test this zone here of 11067, okay, 11067, okay, will be another resistance zone, okay. Okay, so this is the channel in which the price riding in. Okay, so we will watch the middle line of this crude oil in the zone of 11067. Okay, this zone is a zone, and as soon as we find a resistance there, we will, if we receive a clear-cut signal to sell, we will sell. Okay, you can see that the price was in a blah 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 zone here. There was levels here also that you will pay attention to. What we did, the price was in this range here. Apology, because this is a very simple charting software. Okay, the price was in this channel here before and it came above it, okay, and then we're in the rising channel here. Okay, so we will watch carefully this zone here. Okay, what the price will do. If the price pop out of the channel and come back and retest it, okay, that will and give us a clear-cut signal to sell, we will sell. If the TSTWSY08 or the TSTWSY008 give us a signal to sell at the edge in this zone here, we will take it, of course. Okay, so the price came out of this horizontal range first. We will project that horizontal channel, okay, to the upside here. Okay, bear with me as I'm playing with this very simple charting software. And okay, so the price came off the first channel, you will project the first channel to the other side. Okay, now you come up from the second channel, you will project again the second channel, which is bringing us again in the zone of 110, okay, 67. Okay, so this is it, the next level for the crude oil. Okay, we will watch carefully this level of 11067 for the crude oil. So the first channel was here, it came out of it, we project it to the other side, equal measure. Okay, it came out of the second channel, we project it again there, which is bringing us to the intersection point of this horizontal line on this and this middle line of this crude oil. We will watch carefully this zone of 11067. Okay, but if you receive a clear cut signal to sell before that, we will take it. This is a simple video regarding the crude oil. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, okay, we are the TSTWSYS 008 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. I hope you enjoyed this video that you put into practice in order to claim the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.